There is a major shift happening inside the walls of Cupertino right now, and it is about to change the way you interact with the main screen in your home forever. For years, the living room has been a secondary battlefield for big tech, a quiet space where streaming boxes subtly compete for your input selection. But behind closed doors, Apple has been orchestrating a massive, highly calculated upgrade to its home ecosystem, culminating in a device that completely shatters the traditional definition of a streaming player. The long-awaited, next-generation Apple TV 4K is finally stepping out of the shadows, and according to the most reliable supply chain insiders, factory blueprints, and code leaks, this isn't just a minor incremental refresh. This is a complete re-engineering of Apple's home strategy, weaponized with silicon power that rivals dedicated gaming consoles and an entirely fresh architectural framework built from the ground up for deep, localized artificial intelligence. If you're sitting on an older streaming box, or even if you're using the current third-generation Apple TV 4K and thinking your setup is fully future-proofed, you need to freeze exactly where you are. The incoming model is designed to make every single media player currently sitting under a television look like an ancient, sluggish relic of the past, and understanding exactly what Apple is cooking up will completely reset your expectations of what your living room setup can actually do. To truly understand why the upcoming Apple TV 4K is causing such a massive stir across the tech ecosystem, we have to look directly at the unprecedented timeline of its development. Apple historically operates on a predictable, cyclical cadence for its hardware, but the current media player has been sitting on shelves unchanged since late 2022. For a company that prides itself on rapid silicon iterations, a multi-year gap without a single hardware update is incredibly telling. It signals a deliberate pause, a calm before a massive technological storm. Top-tier industry analysts and supply chain reports confirm that Apple actually finalized the physical production lines and hardware specifications for this new box months ago. The units are built, the assembly lines are primed, and early test models have been quietly humming along on the desks of engineers at Apple Park for an extended testing phase. So why the massive delay? Why hold back a finished piece of premium hardware from a hungry market? The answer lies entirely within the software pipeline. Apple refused to ship this hardware until its next generation, deeply personalized Siri experience and systemic artificial intelligence architecture were fully mature and ready for global deployment. This device was deliberately held at the starting line because Apple is not interested in giving you another basic box that simply launches Netflix a fraction of a second faster. They waited until they could deliver a central command station for your digital life. A machine capable of processing complex, context-aware instructions right inside your home without sending your private data to a distant cloud server. At the absolute core of this massive leap forward is a radical upgrade to the internal silicon, a move that changes the entire identity of the device. The current model utilizes the aging A15 Bionic chip, which is undeniably efficient for basic 4K playback, but completely outmatched by the modern demands of edge computing and high-end graphical processing. For the new model, Apple is breaking tradition by leaping directly to a hyper-advanced 3nm architectural platform. Multiple source leaks point directly to the integration of either the ultra-powerful A17 Pro or an optimized variant of the A18 platform. To put that into perspective, this means your streaming box will possess the exact same underlying processing architecture and raw graphical horsepower as premium flagship iPhones. This isn't just about rendering a user interface at a buttery, smooth frame rate. It completely redefines the device as a legitimate, stealth microconsole. By bringing a hardware-accelerated ray tracing engine and an advanced 6-core graphical processing unit into the living room, Apple is positioning this box to natively run AAA, console-quality video games. Imagine playing incredibly demanding, visually stunning open-world titles natively on your television, with realistic lighting, complex shadows, and dense particle physics, all powered by a silent, fanless box that sips power and hides discreetly behind your display. This aggressive silicon push is a direct shot across the bow of traditional gaming platforms, turning every living room with an Apple TV into a high-end interactive entertainment hub without the need for a massive, expensive, heat-generating console tower. But the sheer processing power of this new 3-nanometer chip isn't just there to push beautiful pixels in video games. Its primary, most revolutionary purpose is to act as the dedicated muscle for localized Apple intelligence. The massive neural engine embedded in this new silicon architecture allows the device to handle complex machine learning tasks instantly and locally. This brings us to the real reason Apple chose to wait: the total reinvention of the Siri experience on the big screen. The current voice interface on television platforms is notoriously rigid, relying on exact phrases and simple, linear commands that frequently fail if you don't speak with perfect clarity. The incoming architecture changes everything by introducing a deeply contextual, conversational AI that actually understands who is speaking, remembers previous interactions, and comprehensively manages your entire smart home ecosystem with human-like comprehension. You will be able to speak to your room naturally, saying things like "fix the lighting in the kitchen, turn down the volume a bit, and find that gritty sci-fi thriller I was reading about last week." And the system will process the entire compound command instantly, without a single stutter. Because the processing happens locally on the device's enhanced neural core, your voice prints, family interactions, and daily routines remain completely secure within your physical home, establishing a level of absolute privacy that standard cloud-dependent voice assistants simply cannot match. This deep integration of artificial intelligence fundamentally transforms how the device manages content discovery and curation across your entire household. Traditional streaming interfaces are fundamentally broken. They present you with a chaotic grid of generic recommendations, forcing you to endlessly scroll through multiple disparate apps just to find something worth watching. The new system utilizes its advanced local processing to act as an intelligent media concierge for the entire family. By leveraging multi-user voice recognition and subtle behavioral cues, the device creates an evolving, unified content dashboard that adapts dynamically depending on who is sitting on the couch. If you walk into the room alone late at night, the interface automatically curates a layout featuring your personal favorite sports highlights, continuing dramas, and late-night tech news. If the system detects multiple family voices, it seamlessly shifts to recommend cooperative games, family-friendly movies, or shared viewing watch lists. It completely eliminates the friction of modern media consumption, effectively breaking down the walls between competing streaming platforms to present a single, fluid, perfectly tailored entertainment stream that knows exactly what you want to experience before you even select an app. The technological overhaul extends deep into the wireless communication array of the device, addressing the hidden bottleneck that plagues almost every modern home theater: network congestion and wireless latency. As high bitrate 4K HDR content, spatial audio streaming, and cloud gaming continue to demand massive amounts of real-time data, standard wireless networks are choking under the pressure. To solve this, Apple is equipping the new model with a proprietary, custom-designed wireless communications chip, internally known within the supply chain as the N1 platform. This breakthrough chip introduces native support for Wi-Fi 7 and the Ultra Wide, completely uncrowded 6 GHz wireless band. If you have a modern router, this translates to an absolute elimination of buffering, near-zero latency for interactive applications, and massive wireless throughput speeds that comfortably handle multiple data-heavy streams simultaneously. Whether you are streaming uncompressed, high-fidelity media, or engaging in fast-paced cloud gaming sessions, the connection remains rock solid and completely immune to the interference caused by neighboring networks or household smart devices.